Stop scrolling. Most AI animations look terrible. You can spot them instantly: bad lip sync, robotic motion, generic faces, but two free tools just changed everything. And I'll prove it to you. In 20 minutes, you'll have your own cinematic short film with dialogue, with characters that stay consistent, with sound effects that actually match, all for $0. The two tools I used, they're hidden in plain sight. And right now, they're still free. Let's build it, step by step. I've tested every AI animation tool out there: Runway, Kling, Sora, Pika. They all have limits, they all hit paywalls, and most of them give you results that scream AI generated. But this combination I'm about to show you is different. It's still free, still unlimited, and honestly, better than most paid tools I've used. Here's why this matters. Tools like this don't stay free forever. Right now, we have a window. What you just saw wasn't luck, it's a system, and by the end of this video, you'll have it too. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you 3 prompt tricks that separate amateur AI animations from ones that actually look cinematic. Most tutorials skip these. I'll show all 3, and if you're wondering what tools I'm using, don't worry, I'll reveal them in a moment. But first, we need the foundation, because without this first step, none of the rest matters. Let's build. Every cinematic animation starts with a story, but you're not writing one. I've done that part for you. Open Claude. Go to the pinned comment below this video. Copy the master prompt I've left for you. Paste it into Claude. Hit enter. In a few seconds, Claude gives you everything. Locked character descriptions, so your characters stay consistent in every scene. A full cinematic story script, a dialogue map, 12 scene image prompts, and 12 image to video prompts, with the dialogue already built in. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Here are the locked characters: boy, girl, robot friend, each one defined with exact details so they look identical across every scene. Here's the story script: clear beginning, rising tension, emotional payoff. Here's the dialogue map: 12 key lines that drive the entire adventure. And here are all the scene prompts, ready to copy, ready to paste. This is your entire animation, planned out, structured, and ready to go. You're not guessing, you're not experimenting, you have the full blueprint. Now, we're ready for the first tool. Now we create the visuals. And here's the first tool. It's called Google Flow. Yes, Google quietly made this. And yes, it's completely free to use right now. Most people have no idea it exists, but it generates images that genuinely look like they came from an animation studio. Open Google Flow, select image generation, set your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts. Now, let's generate all your characters at once. Go back to Claude, copy the master character prompt, the one that includes all your locked characters together in one frame. Paste it into the Flow prompt box. Hit generate. In a moment, Flow generates all your characters in one single image: boy, girl, robot friend, all in the same frame, same style, same proportions, locked in. This is huge, because every scene you create after this starts with these exact characters. Their look is set, their personality is set, their style is set. This one image is the foundation of your entire animation. All your scenes start with those characters. So now, it's time to generate all the scene images one by one. And here's where most people rush. Don't. We're generating every scene image first, before we animate anything. Why? Because this gives you full control. Let's start with scene 1. But before you go back to Claude, look at the 3 dots in the top right corner of your scene, one image. Click it, select Add to Prompt. This is the trick that locks visual consistency across every scene. But your prompt itself has to be perfectly made for consistency too. That's why the master prompt I built for you is structured exactly that way. Locked characters, locked styles, locked details. Every scene prompt reinforces the last. When your prompt is built right, and you add each image to the prompt before generating the next, that's when the magic happens. Your characters stay consistent, your lighting stays consistent, your entire world feels like one cohesive film. Do this for every single image you generate. Before you create scene 2, select scene 1 and add it to the prompt. Before you create scene 3, select scene 2 and add it to the prompt. Each new scene starts from the previous one. Same characters, same style, same cinematic feel, locked in every time. Go to Claude, copy the first scene text to image prompt. Notice how it starts with use locked boy plus locked girl plus locked robot. That single line keeps your characters locked across every scene. Paste it into Flow, hit generate. Your first scene appears. Cinematic lighting, solid detail, characters clear and consistent. Now scene 2, go back to Claude, copy the scene 2 text to image prompt, paste it into Flow, hit generate. Watch this. Scene 2 appears with the exact same style as scene 1. Same color palette, same character identity, same cinematic feel. The world is locked in. Now do the same thing for scene 2. Click the 3 dots, select Add to Prompt. This locks scene 2 as your reference for scene 3. Copy the prompt from Claude, paste into Flow, hit generate. Boom, scene 3 matches perfectly. Characters consistent, world consistent, lighting consistent. Click the 3 dots on scene 3, add to prompt, lock it in. Scene 4, copy, paste, generate. Same magic. Every scene flows visually into the next. No jarring style shifts, no mismatched characters. Now repeat this exact pattern for all remaining scenes. For each one, copy the prompt from Claude, paste into Flow, generate. In a few minutes, you'll have 12 still images ready. Same characters, same style, same cinematic quality across every frame. Look them over. If any image feels off, regenerate it now, because fixing mistakes before animation saves you hours later. But still, images are just the beginning. Now we need to bring them to life, and for that, we need our second tool, the main one. The second tool is also from Google, and this is the one that shocked me when I found it. It's called Google Vids. Inside Google Vids, you get full video animation, automatic sound effects, one-click captions, and full timeline editing. One tool, one tab, zero cost. It's almost like Google made a mistake by making this free. Here's why Google Vids is the heart of your animation. It does something the other tools can't. It generates full cinematic scenes, with dialogue, with lip sync, with sound effects, all from one prompt. Now here's exactly how to upload your first image. Click on Veo. That's Google's latest video model, Veo 3.1, and you can use it completely free right here. Then click Create from Scratch. You'll see 2 options pop up. Select Animate an image. Upload your first scene image from Google Flow. Now go to Claude, copy the first image to video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, hit generate. In about 30 seconds, Veo 3.1 gives you your first animated clip. Click insert to drop it onto your canvas. And just like that, your still image comes alive. Watch this.
Grandpa always said Ember Falls was real. And look, May, he left us the way.
The cozy attic feels real now. You can see the dust particles floating in the warm sunlight, the boy unrolling that ancient map with excitement on his face, the girl leaning in with curiosity, the robot hovering and glowing softly, and you can hear it, the rustle of paper, the gentle hum of the robot, the soft creak of the wooden floor. You didn't record a voice, you didn't search for sound effects, you didn't download anything, you typed words, and Veo 3.1 built the entire scene. Your first animated clip is sitting on your canvas. Done. Now scene 2, upload your second scene image from Google Flow. Now go back to Claude, copy the second image to video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, hit generate. In about 30 seconds, Veo 3.1 gives you your second animated clip. Click insert to drop it onto your canvas. Look at this.
The path splits here at the Whispering Arch. We go left. Always trust the symbols.
The story is moving forward now. The girl points to a glowing spot on the map, the secret waterfall location. Her finger traces across the path. The robot leans in curiously, his screen flickering with interest. The boy listens carefully, his expression shifting from confusion to realization. Their dialogue lands naturally. Their lips sync perfectly. The same characters, but now caught up in the mystery. The atmosphere shifts slightly. 2 scenes down. Now scene 3. Upload your third scene image from Google Flow. Go back to Claude, copy the third image to video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, hit generate. In about 30 seconds, your third animated clip appears. Click insert. And watch this transition. The cozy attic disappears. Now they're standing at the entrance of the jungle canyon. Sunlight cuts through the canopy in golden beams. Birds fly across the gap between the cliffs. The waterfall mist drifts in the distance. The boy holds his map open. The girl clutches her journal close. The robot floats between them, scanning the unknown. Same characters, completely new world. The adventure has truly begun. 3 scenes done, and your short film is taking shape right on the canvas. Now repeat this exact process for every remaining scene. Upload the next scene image, copy the matching prompt from Claude, paste it into the prompt box, hit generate, insert. That's the loop. Repeat it for scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, all the way through scene 12. Veo 3.1 handles the lip sync, the sound design, the emotion, the atmosphere, all automatically. Every scene flows into the next. Same characters, same world, same cinematic feel. In a few minutes, your entire animated short film is sitting on your canvas. 12 scenes, beginning to end, ready for the final touches. Now, everything comes together inside Google Vids. Once all your scenes are animated and sitting on your canvas, arrange them in order. Trim where needed. Now the finishing touch, captions. Videos with captions keep people watching significantly longer, and inside Google Vids, adding them is almost too easy. You'll see the caption option right inside the editor. Click it, and Google Vids automatically transcribes the dialogue from your video. Every word your character speaks gets turned into synced captions. Perfectly timed. One click. Done. You didn't type a single word. You didn't sync anything manually. Google Vids listened to your animation and handled everything on its own. Now, once you're happy with everything, it's time to download. Go to File in the top left corner, click on it, and you'll see the option to download as MP4. Hit download. Now keep in mind, the download can take a little time depending on your video. Don't just sit there waiting. Go grab a coffee, work on something else. Let it do its thing in the background. When it's done, your full animation is sitting right there on your device, ready to upload, ready to share. And that's it. You just made a full 3D animated short film with voice, with sound effects, with captions, edited and polished, all using 2 free Google tools. No expensive software, no subscriptions, no experience needed. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.